Hi, today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to open and write in files. So we're going to go file equals open. Then you're going to do the file. So I'm just going to do file 9.txt. And if the file doesn't exist, don't worry about it. It will create it automatically. So it will, since I don't have a file called file 9, it will automatically create a file called file 9. Then we're going to do write. So that the W actually stands for write. So like a write, like when you write on a piece of paper or something like that. Then we can do file dot write. Hello world. And then remember, you always have to do file dot close, and then if we run this, and I'll show you on my desktop, I do not have a file. These are the only files that have file. I can even delete them if delete. I have no. This is this is the program, and it will create a new file. So file 9, and this is hello world. And I can also read files. So, but you also have to go like that. But then this will no longer work because it's kind of like modes. Like this is read mode. So then I'll go like text equals file dot read, and then print text, so that it can see. So now it is printing out hello world from this file. So it's reading the file. Okay, so if I go and put this into A, which is add, because if you do W, it actually erases the text in the file that, like, if I type in a file like hello world, and then I do a W mode, which is write mode, and then do something else, it would actually erase the hello world and write the new text. But if you do add, or A for add, it will actually add to it. So add to that text. So I won't erase anything. And try to do read. So if I try to do read now in A mode, it doesn't exist because file.read, it's not in read mode. So if I do A plus, it's actually going to be able to write in the file and also read the file. So it says hello world, for some reason it isn't reading anything. I think it's because I haven't. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with that. You can fiddle around with it. I think it's because I've just done it like here and then it's straight away reads. Yeah, so you can fiddle around with that. Should work. So yeah, that is how you open and write in a file, and make sure you close. If you don't close, it might come a problem, like if you try to delete the file, say it's still being used or something like that, then you have to try and close it, which you can't because it doesn't actually come up here. So yeah, try to close it. Make sure you close it. So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so then you don't miss any of my new videos. So yeah, see you in the next video.